All right, what we have here is the Novostella 25W indoor outdoor stage light slash house light. You can use these for a great deal many things. You can get this in a 2-pack or a 4-pack. Essentially, here's what you get. I actually bought one of each for a total of 6 to illuminate my entire outside of my house. This piece of machinery or device, whatever you want to call it, is very, very solid and waterproof. And it actually hooks up to your Wi-Fi, so you flip it open on the app. The instructions tell you how to sync it up to the app and then get it connected to your Wi-Fi, and it's super awesome. I would say that these are not just for like the holidays and the colors on the holiday lights, but I leave these up all year long so I can change colors with whatever holidays coming up, whatever seasons coming up. You know, we do the red and the green for Christmas and some orange and purple for Halloween, you know, and then you got red and blue and white for, you know, 4th of July. But I simply fix these to just a small board and set them on the ground. Leave them out all year long, had no problem with rain or anything like that. They are totally waterproof. So if you're looking to light up your house without having to string lights all over the place, this is a great choice.